Hello, my name is Josh Stoddard, and I'm a sales engineer at Aligned Vision. We are here at CAMX today demonstrating a variety of equipment. We have Laser Guide 2, laser projection, which is our more standard offering of laser projection. We also have our laser vision system, which brings in automatic inspection to here for the the composites industry here. We work in a variety of industries outside of composites, automotive, wind, aerospace, obviously. And here, I have a few different demonstrations set up. The first one is just our standard laser projection system, which uses our tablet remotes right at the tool surface, reducing something called step-away time, which is a parasitic process basically on composites manufacturing, where the operator has to step away and go to the computer each time in order to build the part. And the tablets really help solve that problem. We also have a suite of features called Build Guide that use our tablets. It's an in-process suite of software that just ensures that you're building parts the way that they are being designed. The laser vision system over here incorporates a camera to capture images of the entire part. It works great for large field applications. Basically, the projection field is a 1-to-1 ratio. So for every foot away from the part that we can capture an image in a 1-by-1 foot area. And we can also project and pinpoint flaws and defects, FOD, for example, in that entire field. So right here on this side, I have a ply where we just found some FOD on this. This is a drone demo tool. We're really here to drive forward Industry 4.0, improve traceability for people's clean rooms, and just drive composites manufacturing into the next generation or the next wave.